Wadesbomvu, ishumi lezinkomo, wadesbomvu. Wadesbomvu, ishumi lezinkomo, wadesbomvu. 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 Inkosi yasitawula ngamandla. Inkosi yasitawula ngamandla. Inkosi yasitawula ngamandla. Inkosi yasitawula ngamandla. Ilensi ezimnyama, ilensi ezimnyama ezahlatshwa ngeziti zomkhonto. Ilensi ezimnyama, ilensi ezimnyama ezahlatshwa ngeziti zomkhonto. Shia o shishi o ngamandla. Shia o shishi o ngamandla. Shia o shishi o ngamandla. Shia o shishi o ngamandla.
Siyanibingelela Mahlabezulu, siyanamukela sizokwethula i-press statement ye-office lenkosi lapha eGoli. Sise ofisini lenkosi uBulelani Lobhengula kaMzilikazi. Sizokuthi ke usomlomo we-office okungubaba uBonman Khumalo asethulele i-press statement. Siyabonga.
Thank you. Office of His Majesty King Bulelani Lobhengula kaMzilikazi. Public statement in response to remarks by government officials regarding His Majesty's visit to Bulawayo today on the 4th of May 2025. The Office of His Majesty King Bulelani Lobhengula kaMzilikazi, based in the Republic of South Africa, has taken note of recent public statements made by the Minister of Local Government and Public Works, Daniel Garwe, NUPF spokesperson, Mr. Christopher Mtswangwa, concerning His Majesty's visit to the city of Bulawayo and his courtesy engagement with the Mayor, Councillor David Coltart. While we understand and respect the importance of dialogue and the rule of law within the sovereign nation, we find it imperative to address the tone and the implications of the said statements with the necessary dignity and clarity. His Majesty King Bulelani Lobhengula kaMzilikazi holds a deeply rooted ancestral and cultural position within the hearts of the Mthwakazi people as a direct descendant of King Lobhengula and ultimately the King Mzilikazi, the founder of the Ndebele nation. His role is not political, but restorative, cultural and symbolic, aimed at uniting the Mthwakazi descendants across Southern Africa and the diaspora through heritage, identity and community development. His Majesty's visit to Bulawayo was in no way a political event or an act of defiance. It was a private and dignified cultural pilgrimage and to a historic heartland of the Ndebele people. A journey marked by mutual respect and peaceful engagement, a cultural significance. His meeting with Mayor David Coltart was conducted in a spirit of courtesy and national unity, reflective of our African tradition of mutual recognition among community leaders. We respectfully urge public officials to exercise caution and decorum and cultural sensitivity when speaking on matters of heritage and traditional leadership. Dismissive language or threats of arrest directed at a traditional and cultural figure whose mission is reconciliatory, unity, and empowerment does not reflect the spirit of Ubuntu or the values enshrined in Pan-Africanism. The Kingdom reiterates its commitment to peaceful engagement, cultural restoration, and respectful cooperation with both government and civil institutions. We believe that coexistence between traditional structures and the state governance is not only possible but necessary for a more inclusive and reconciled future. We remain open to constructive dialogue with all relevant stakeholders in Zimbabwe and the region to find common ground in the recognition and preservation of traditional institutions that predate colonial boundaries. These institutions, when embraced and integrated, can contribute meaningfully to community development, national unity, and cultural tourism. We would like to thank all the citizens of the country who have shown the undivided support. We would like to thank all the citizens of the country who have shown their undivided support to the King. The kingship issue and the kingship issue and the mayor of the city of Bulawayo and the culture of our Mthwakazi nation, it has clearly demonstrated that Inkosi yinkosi ngabantu. We call upon all concerned to embrace a spirit of mutual respect, understanding, and dialogue in addressing matters concerning the cultural identity of Mthwakazi people. His Majesty's presence is not an imposition, but a reminder of a shared aspiration and history that yearns for healing, dignity, and recognition. We thank you.
Uyayivumela
impi uyayivumela impi uyayivumela
Chono
Sisho ngempi
Chono
sisho ngempi thina oduku zempi
osifiza